Hello, in this video I will show you how to put videos on slow motion in Snapchat. So this is very easy process and it should work on your iOS as well as Android device. So if you want to put videos in slow motion on Snapchat, keep watching the video till the end. So let's start it. First of all, you have to open your Snapchat. From here you have to pick any video. Suppose I'm recording one video. For recording the video I have to click on this circular option, then this video will be recorded. This is my video. So now if you want to slow down this video, you have to swipe in the left side. So I'm sweeping in the left side to 1 2 3 4 5. So now in this case this video will be slow down. Okay, so when this option come, you can stop and you can see. In this way you can put videos in slow motion in Snapchat. That's it. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.